And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
At 6:44 on this Thursday morning, we're waking up with some clouds overhead. You see them moving through the valley this morning, staying pretty thick in the upper levels, so it's going to take some time before those clouds kind of thin out for the day. For the rest of the day. Looking at future track, we start the clock at 6 this morning, very cloudy, but then we start to see some breaks just after mid-morning to partly sunny skies for the afternoon. And keyword here, windy, and the one that I don't have on there is hot and humid. And the reason for that, let me tell you, that south to southeast wind is going to pick up today. And it's going to go anywhere between 12 and 25 miles per hour, gusting near 34 and 35 miles per hour. The next 12 hours in the lower valley, everyone east of Weslaco will take its time warming up, but by about 12:30, up near 89 degrees, staying in the low to mid 90s today, except at the coast. That's where you'll stay in the mid 80s, and you will see a mix of clouds and sunshine throughout the day. Same thing for the upper valley, everyone west of Weslaco. However, look at your temperature trend. It goes to the upper 90s this afternoon, and even some areas reaching the triple digits, which I'll show you in your city-by-city forecast in just a second. Looking at the satellite and radar across Texas, not much action right now. Very quiet start to the day. Later on this afternoon, there is the potential for some severe weather. So if you're headed out of town to do a graduation or anything like that, I know a lot of people are traveling this time of year. Take a look at this. Once you get up to about San Antonio, areas west of that, and then going to the north and east into Oklahoma and even Kansas, look at that. I mean, the potential for severe weather is there. It's a slight risk for the areas in yellow, but that bullseye there that you see just over northern Oklahoma, that is a high risk today for any type of strong to severe thunderstorms. So if you know people headed to that area, give them a heads up and let them know that, yeah, their potential for those strong storms is definitely there. Back here at home, 10% chance for rain on Saturday, so an isolated shower or thunderstorm at most at this point in time. Here's a look at future track. We start the clock at early Saturday morning, and we're still very windy, cloudy, hot and humid here in the RGV. Not much change, but here we go. The cold front starts to get a little bit closer. We're going to increase the lower level and mid-level moisture, so we could see a few showers Saturday. We're going to bump that up come Sunday, and then going into Monday as this front gets a little bit closer. It's going to zoom back up to the north as a warm front, but check this out. This is Monday at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and we still see some of that green there on the map. So we are going to bump up the rain chances as we head into the weekend. Coastal forecast for today, there's a small craft advisory that'll begin for the Bay at 10 this morning until 8 o'clock this evening. And the Gulf, that small craft advisory will continue through early tomorrow morning for winds southeast at 20 to 25 miles per hour. Very choppy out there. Seas 4 to 6 feet close to near shore. Offshore, we're talking about up to 9 feet possible. Here's your city by city forecast I was telling you about. 84 on the island today to 93 in Brownsville, 94 when you get into Harlingen and Weslaco, 95 for you in Raymondville. Farther west you go, that's where it gets steamy. Look at this, 100 degrees in Rio Grande City, 98 in Edinburgh to 99 in McAllen. Here's the rest of your First Warn 5 7-day forecast. We'll be at 95 for Friday and Saturday. Still very gusty winds, but then those winds will slow down come Sunday, but we ramp up your rain chances. 30 to 50% as we head into next week. Your temperatures will actually drop a little bit back down to the lower 90s, 93 and 92, back to 96 with a spotty thunderstorm for Tuesday. We'll keep a stray shower in there midweek. Temperatures will be near 94, and your overnight lows will stay in the mid to upper 70s for the next 7 nights. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.